Hello Legacy Builders, welcome to another episode of PropertyAskEkow. Today we are in La Rochelle, the south of Johannesburg. We are at one of our properties. This property has been giving us too much headache in terms of tenant turnover. So we've decided to roll up our sleeves, come down here and check what we need to do to increase the rental income of this property. Let's go. So the first thing you see when you come this side is the dustbin. I mean, you walk in to the gate and there's a dustbin facing you. I wouldn't stay here. I don't like it. So I think we need to do some shifting. We think properly, but we need to find a nice placement for the dustbin. I'm thinking maybe we move things around, put it at the corner, but that's something that we'll pick up and place it in at a later stage. This was the best property, the best performing property in terms of return on investment. But now it's becoming a property that's really a headache to the business. And hence I need to roll up my sleeves and come here and analyze it myself with the team together, so that we can know what's going on. The whole team is here, the plumber is here, carpenter is here, a builder is here, water is here, name it all. So we just want to come here, pay proper attention and get it done and lift the place up and lift the spirit up. That's what we need to do. This is room number 9, right? We've got 5 rooms empty. We need to make sure that the place is done properly. Like if you come here, I understand why people are not taking this unit, because you can see it's leaking from here, plumbing, that's the dumping, the walls, stuff.
The problem is the roof wall.
So once we fix the roof, then we can paint
the place and be perfect.
Yes.
So the problem, we must restart again the roof. That's the problem, is the roof. Yeah, the problem is the roof. Because there's no slope in top there. The problem for this room, only the roof can increase.
So let's go to the next room, so that the next unit, so we can check all the problems and we can sit and then see what we need to do. This one is unit 9, right? And when you come in here again, I understand why place is empty, because look at this. The door handle is not here, and that's what the wall is down, right? So it means I wouldn't be happy to stay in a place like this. But we're changing this whole ceiling, completely changing the ceiling, and then fixing the cupboards. Tenants left, but they left some leftovers. Some of their belongings here. So we need to clean the place up, fix the cupboards, fix the kitchen cupboard, and the wall. Put some paint this room. That's what we need to paint the room. So that's it that we need to do. So Papa Chris, we've got work to do.
Yes.
So we need to sit down now and think about what we need to do and get the quotations. Very important. Yes. Where we need to compare quotations and make sure that we've got a budget, so we sit within the budget nicely. So you don't also overcapitalize. It's very important. It's good to go in there and start fixing things, but you always need to understand the numbers and you need to know the returns that you're going to get, because at the end of the day you are in the business. But the most important thing is somebody comes and says, I love your place and I would like to stay here for long, because you want to minimize tenant turnover. It's very important. This is the first time in 10 years that we have in this crisis since we started this business. First time where we have units empty like this and we've got things falling apart. But again, it comes with when business is growing. But now you have to go back to basics, understand what we do well, why we were doing this in the first place, how we were doing things, and get back in order. That's what we're here for, and make sure that our tenants have peace of mind. Because when the tenants have peace of mind, we have peace of mind and we make money. That's important. Be a legacy builder and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.